Take 5. Health literacy in 5 minutes or less. Welcome to Take 5 series. Health Insurance 101, Understanding Open Enrollment. Brought to you by Porcupine Coaching Center and Healthcare Access Alliance. We hear the term open enrollment, but what does it mean? Open enrollment is the once a year when citizens aged 18 and over, who are lawfully present in the U.S., can access and/or apply for insurance options at work or via healthcare.gov. This includes the ability to sign up for an insurance plan or change insurance companies. Open enrollment also allows you to update or change insurance coverage or benefits, enroll in health savings plans, and add or eliminate benefits like dental and vision. Now that we have covered what open enrollment is, let's discuss when open enrollment occurs. Most open enrollment periods are once a year, the same time each year, and last about 4 to 6 weeks. Actual open enrollment dates are not the same for everyone. Dates depend on the sponsoring source. If the sponsor or source is work, enrollment usually begins fall or spring. For government marketplace, ACA, Obamacare, or healthcare.gov, enrollment is usually late fall. For federal Medicare Advantage plans for seniors, enrollment usually runs October through December. The 2023 deadline to enroll under the Affordable Care Act or ACA, commonly called Obamacare, via the marketplace at healthcare.gov, is January 15th in most states. Whether the sponsor is work or the marketplace, if you need and plan to get health insurance for the year, don't miss the deadline. There is no option to enroll later unless there is a qualifying life event. You can sign up for insurance during open enrollment. And if you're already insured, this is the time of year that you can also make changes to your insurance plans. These changes include the ability to apply for or cancel coverage, add or remove dependents and/or beneficiaries, and add or remove benefits such as dental, vision, savings plans, and life insurance. You may also switch to another insurance company or choose a different plan type like HMO or PPO. If you are conscious of your medical expense budget, you can also change to a plan with different out-of-pocket amounts. That means a different deductible, copayment, or coinsurance amount. Open enrollment is your time to decide. After you have decided on your plan, verify the start date for your new insurance coverage. This may depend on a few factors. The new year of coverage usually begins the first of a specified month. The date you can begin using your new insurance depends on the sponsoring source, whether it is work or healthcare.gov, the open enrollment time period, the insurance company, or eligibility dates. Before you enroll, there are a few things that may be helpful for you to know. Know how much you can afford to pay monthly for insurance costs, amounts you can pay for an annual deductible, which are fees before insurance kicks in, and what you are willing to pay for copayments or coinsurance, which are fees at health appointments. Also calculate how much you spend on for the last year, as well as your current medical expenses, including medications, treatments, supplies, and therapies. Do you have diagnoses to consider? Are there upcoming surgeries or procedures? If so, what kind and what is the expected cost? Lastly, know if your preferred doctor or doctors are listed in the insurance network. Not just do they accept the insurance that you select, but do they have a contract with the insurance company to provide services at an agreed-upon rate. There is more to learn about health insurance and open enrollment. But if you are seeking insurance coverage for the year, it's important to act now. You cannot sign up for insurance after the open enrollment period closes. There is no grace period. Enrolling later is only allowed 30 to 60 days after a qualifying life change such as marriage or divorce, a new birth or adoption, or child leaves for college, moving or relocating, newly eligible due to U.S. citizenship, release from prison, or income change. Also loss of insurance due to job loss or no longer a qualifying dependent. Of special note is there is no open enrollment period for the Children's Health Insurance Program CHIP and Medicaid programs. You may apply any time after becoming eligible for Medicaid benefits. As we end this Take 5 segment, we highlight 5 key facts that were covered to support your understanding of open enrollment. 1. It is the time of year to apply for, update, and/or change insurance benefits. 2. You cannot get or modify insurance after the deadline without a qualifying life change. 3. You may enroll 30 to 60 days after a change in marital status, dependents, location, job, and/or income. 4. Enrollment details depend on the sponsoring source: work, healthcare.gov, or Medicaid Advantage. 5. Know your budget and needs before enrolling. Take 5 provides educational sessions in 5 minutes or less. Tune into the next video in the series Health Insurance 101, Understanding 5 Basic Insurance Terms. Lastly, like us on Facebook and subscribe on YouTube for notifications. Take 5. Health literacy in 5 minutes or less.